Hello, welcome. Merry holiday time frame. We're going to be talking about Christmas today. We have a couple of presents that we have to deliver via Santa's sleigh. And so we've got Rudolph to help us guide that. We've got our sleigh to build over here. And I got a quick plan to show you guys here. So here we've got my excellent rendition of the Jeep. And here's a sleigh and reindeer. And so we're going to get the 8, well actually I forgot my 1 plus 8 is 9 reindeer, because there are 8 and then there's Rudolph, which is 9. We're gonna build this sleigh here and then we're gonna see how well it does off-road. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna cut to building this sleigh here. We gotta get it prepped. I think it's looking pretty good. Welcome back. It's been a little while, but the sleigh is done and ready to put on. We've got our power source over here, our lovable doggo reindeer. He's a little chilly. It's a little chilly, so we're gonna
do this real quick.
Real quick. You ready to pull a sleigh?
He's like, is it warmer? Yes.
He's like, nah. All right, we'll have to find an alternate method of power for the Jeep sleigh. So we're over at a friend's house, just borrowing some of their land, and we got the Jeep all decked out. So as you can see, we've got our sleigh here. We've got our presents we're delivering in the back. We've got our tinsel for extra speed. And then of course, we've got the stockings hung with care in the back. And our Christmas tree, of course, since we need to deliver that as well. Now, actually, to go and power all of this, we've got our very advanced reindeer. So we've got all of our reindeer. And then of course, Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, is leading us off here. Okay, now I gotta get in the sleigh and make it go. Good to go. presents. We're good to go. It's so sunny
I know.
and it's cold. I think the sleigh worked out. We got presents and the reindeer stayed in place. So overall, I think we're pretty good. All right. Okay, let's go home. Hey, thank you again for watching the video, and thank you for hanging out all this year. We had fun this year. I think I had fun.
Except for my tie rod leaving the chat. I did.
And mine.
Well, but I'm saying I didn't care about that one. I cared about mine.
Okay.
It's
Well,
different.
anyways, happy holidays. Hope you have a great one. We'll see you in the new year for all sorts of shenanigans and adventures.
Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. All of that. Have a fun day.
Have a fun day.